Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 35. The Blessed Lord said, O mighty armed one, undoubtedly the mind is difficult to control and is restless. But, O son of Kunti, by practice and by dispassion it is restrained.
Chapter 6, Shloka 35. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Asamshayam Mahabhago Manodurnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu Kaunteya Vairagyena cha Grihyate.
Chapter 6, Shloka 35. Arjuna had claimed that the mind by its nature is turbulent, strong, unyielding, and restless, and so cannot be controlled. In this shloka, Arjuna is assured that there is a method by which the difficult mind can be controlled. At this point, the logic in Arjuna's mind is that mind stilled is self-gained, and he argues that mind cannot be stilled and so self cannot be gained. To keep the dialogue going, Lord Krishna uses the stoop to conquer technique. Lord agrees with Arjuna and to tickle his vanity reminds him that he is a great warrior and that no doubt the mind is turbulent, strong, unyielding, and restless, and so it is very difficult to control, and therefore the goal of enduring tranquility cannot be achieved easily. This brings Arjuna's mind to a restful peace. Now he is in a position to think positively. The mind is a great enemy, no doubt, but for a warrior, the greater the challenge, the nobler is the victory. Now Lord suggests that the mind can be controlled. Lord Krishna gives assurance to Arjuna that by practice and renunciation of attachments and anxiety for the fruits of action, it can in the beginning be controlled and then brought to a halt. Practice means constant thought of an idea regarding one and the same object of thought. This thought is of the self in meditation instead of many dissimilar thoughts of many objects of the world earlier. Practice strengthens renunciation, which generates detachment, and this in turn deepens meditation. An independent inquiry of our own past life lived along with an understanding of the logic of how the thoughts function and the process of turning to the higher can trigger any intelligent person to pursue the self with courage and confidence. He will thereafter find the scriptures meaningful, which will explain the benefits of morality, ethics, self-control, growth, as well as the ill effects of the suffocating egocentric life. When one starts practicing these, true and enduring detachment will come automatically. Our mind will come under our control because it no more has attraction for the worldly objects to roam into, and the only world which it now knows is the world of equanimity and sameness. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.